This is the go-kart by Garvee. I'm gonna be assembling this and gifting it to my kids for Christmas, but I'm gonna ride it first. So I'm so excited. It can handle up to 140 pounds. Perfect for me. Let's build this. The heaviest part is this piece right here. Oh, it's got all the power in it. Before you insert, you do need to loosen this. They don't provide a tool for that, but it's really easy to loosen. So just grab a wrench, whatever you need to. Loosen that up so you can stick the pole inside. Axle goes straight down. Pop that nut and the bolt back on. And then it comes with a handy dandy little twister to twist it down. And it actually comes with two of these so that you can hold one while you're twisting in the other, or you can twist them opposite directions to make sure that they are completely tight. Then you're gonna tighten these all the way back down. For those not super spatially aware, like I'm not, this took me a few tries. I realized it goes underneath. It doesn't go on the top, but this is how it looks. This is how it looks underneath. And then you're gonna tighten these bolts down right here. Make sure these don't fall off, or if they do, put them back on, and then you're gonna pop the wheels on and then put the screw in and bolt and tighten it up. Okay, steering wheel was the hardest so far to figure out. It you have to be pulling up and pushing up on this axle right here. So I have a box sitting on it right now so that the pole goes up outside of this, so that when you put it down, and then you put the screw right through. You can't see that, where the hole is in the pole. So the pole needs to be up. Click this to lock it in before you push the front down.
More grip.
All right, here's where the bolts go in right here. When this slides on, they should line up, and then you twist that right in. Charge it, all you do is pop that back, and you can place this in and plug it in and get ready for the next ride. Undo these two screws right here. You're gonna lift up to get the battery. Now we're gonna connect these two, and it's gonna start the car. They are connected. You want to make sure that the seat is completely lined up with the holes it's supposed to go in so that it grabs. If you do the back ones first, then the front ones will line up so much better. It is all assembled. All right, this is for children, but I'm at the max weight and max circumference to get in it. So I'm gonna gift this to my kids, so I'm gonna take it on spin, show you how it's done. First button right here, super easy. Reverse it up. We're gonna go forward. I'm gonna go low speed while I'm going across the road to where we're gonna film. The buttons right here: forward, reverse, high speed, and low speed. You've got your gas pedal, steering wheel, a loop here. This is gonna be a great Christmas present.
That is a scream.
Isn't it?